Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Roblox edits on CapCut. We're going to dive into transforming your exciting Roblox gameplay into captivating video content. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through every essential step. Get ready to unleash your creativity and make your Roblox moments truly shine with professional-looking edits. Let's get started and turn your ideas into amazing videos. First things first, let's get your project set up in CapCut. You'll want to import all your fantastic Roblox gameplay clips into the application. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with CapCut's user-friendly interface and its powerful editing tools. Then, carefully trim and arrange your clips on the timeline to create a smooth and engaging narrative flow. This foundational step is crucial for building a compelling video. Now, let's make your edits truly pop. CapCut offers a fantastic array of visual effects and transitions that can dramatically enhance your Roblox videos. Don't forget to add dynamic text overlays to highlight important moments or add commentary. Experiment with different styles and learn how to synchronize these effects perfectly with the rhythm of your video. This is where your creativity can really shine through. To give your Roblox edit that professional polish, incorporating the right audio is key. Choose background music that complements your gameplay and add sound effects to emphasize actions. Remember to adjust all audio levels carefully to ensure a balanced and clear sound experience for your viewers. Once everything looks and sounds perfect, it's time to export your finished video in high quality, ready to share with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.